So could she not even know say I'm gonna sleep with her cousin all now. But she fully. Why she make the girl movie now? Cause she didn't want help with the new baby. That's why she make her cousin live with her. Debbie, Rick there. Can you please not embarrass me? What? Me give her finally meet my new brother-in-law? Debbie, please just not make no big deal about it. Hello, ladies. My bumbo out for man that me I go take. May I be real honest with you? You lucky I'm my sister. Listen here, goody. When you're done with Cherry, you can come page me. Hey, that girl. Watch how you chat to my sister, man, you know. So have to be the best looking man me ever see. Rick, this is my sister, Debbie. It's really nice to meet you, Debbie. Nice to meet you too, Rick. You're really handsome, though. Sir, you have one brother who me can borrow? Yeah, man. But he married. Me really no business about that. This is a really nice business you're running here. Thank you. I'm a man buy it for me. I live in Body Big. My Debbie area and Fireway. Hi, Rick. So, Rick, what you do for a living? Don't worry about that, man. You ready for leave out? See you later, everybody. Bye, my brother-in-law. Rick, call me. Yeah, see that girl that paid me for stop me a thump up her face. But the boy shot man brighty, take your virginity and a go on, so. Watch how you yell out things now, my father hear you. But brother understand why you beat her up for when her boyfriend tell lie, you never take a sip there with her. What kind of fool question you ask me, Naomi? Me no business what him want tell me from what him no want tell me. Me no want him have no other woman. But if him have other woman that means say him no love you. I understand how you are 16, you're older than where you love one like you not no sense. I don't know why you never call when me come beat up the girl for you. Cause me don't want to do it by myself. Me just want to see the fear in her face when she see me. Watch, man. Anytime I see her on road again, I go thump up her face again. She better stop chatting short, man, you know. I'm sorry, Andy. I just did I get something for drink? Oh man, that's good. What do you want to drink? We have water, soda, bag juice. Do you want that? We can get some soda, or you know what? Maybe just take the bag juice. Wait, you're Naomi, right? Yeah, that's my name, Naomi. Oh, you look a little bit older than the other girls. How old are you? Oh, I'm 16. Oh, you're 1 year younger than me. Yep. You know, you're really cute, Naomi. You should smile more. Naomi, Anya look for you. Yo, what's good, Chantel? When everybody has sleep, now you come page me. In the bathroom, right? Just make sure Anthony hear you, alright? When I want to find out what we are doing, especially Anya, okay? Alright, no problem. I'm pregnant. Jesus Christ, Octavia, what you mean say you're pregnant? Oh man, let's see what you're going so far. Man, I look a girl, you know. What you mean say I look a girl? What you gonna breed for? Who you breed for? Anthony, mommy. Anthony, baby. But wait, how do you say I like Anthony? Think people mind can't change, you know. A long time I like Anthony. But Octavia, the amount of pity what Anthony have. Why you really go break for him? Everybody in the scheme call Anthony mattress. Yeah, me know that mommy, but Anthony take care. Yeah, me know that mommy, but Anthony take care all I'm pitney there. Okay, let me just say what better for you. You know me there with your father. He was married and look what him do. Him abandon we. Him not even come look for you. Mommy, Anthony not stay like daddy. Alright, Anthony a good boy. Did you even tell him say you're pregnant? No, mommy, but me I gotta tell him soon, alright? Okay, well, you know, so I love Anthony like him and my own son. I just know what happened to me happen to you, alright? But from when I pick me that little boy, they love you off. I'm not telling a lie. You used to always come here. Octavia, I'm a beautiful wife. Hey, little boy, where you done again? I tell you already, said me no want you coming at me yard. Every minute you always a come here. But Octavia, I love you. You're my baby. But if you stop calling me that, I'm gonna tell my mother. I love you, I love you, I love you. Octavia, no matter what happened, I'm always like there for you. And I think maybe you should come home and live here with the baby. Let me think about it. Alright, mommy, thanks. So I was thinking, Pastor, that you would buy us a 3 bedroom house somewhere uptown. You're serious? What about the house you're living in right now? So wait, you're not gonna negotiate with me? I swear me you make a deal. If you do everything I'm saying, nobody not gonna find out why you look obsession with the strip club and I'm not gonna know say you love go on a back road. So all me I ask you for is a 3 bedroom house, your daughter, and anytime you need a money, you help way out, alright? Yo, he's a wicked man, you know. I'm not telling a lie. Nobody blame me for your little problem where you have, you know. Just give me what I want, that's it. Come on and start something where you can't finish. You sure you don't want me to come over your house? My husband not coming for no, you know. And I love to spend more time with you. No man, we'll never see you tomorrow, right? So don't worry about a thing. Hey girl, move. Oh Sean, I didn't know you was gonna be home today. I thought it was at your girlfriend. Mommy, you're not fired from me, and I know she have a boyfriend. I don't know what I don't know what you're talking about, Sean. Mommy, don't worry about nothing, man. I'm not gonna tell daddy nothing, alright? I'm gonna blame you. Cause look how him deal with you. You can do what you want to. Your secret safe between me and you. Thanks, Sean. But you don't have to worry about me, alright? I'm gonna be alright. So you think say me I eat that? You think say me don't know say you have a man? Every night me come in here, you always bringing up the same foolishness. Look pa you. Look how you look. You no dress up for me, so I must man you have. So me not allowed for dress up and look nice. Before I walk up and down and look like Cruff every day, don't it? Let me find out how we are sleep with, you know. I go have my ways them for find out. You don't know me, you know. Listen to me. If you're not nothing for chat about, just leave me alone, alright? Cause every single day I the same thing with you. Just stop bother me. Should I know better enough to take up now like a whoring girl like you, you know. Should I never wife you. You're the biggest whore me ever meet in my life. Just leave me alone, alright? You know have something else for God do. I realize that from what day I see you're full of chatty, I raise your voice off a man. When you get so daring. Me, I'm sick and tired of you a boss me around and I treat me like something no matter. Eh? I want to you. Stop talk to me anyway you think you can talk to me in a day. I'm sick and tired of it now. I may get sick and tired of you. So if you're sick and tired of me, why not come out of my bumbo clad house and you idiot girl? Excuse me, your house. This is all our house. You always I think everything revolve around you, don't it? Nobody else opinion no matter. And if you stop hanging out with your big old sister, you know, I say yeah, enough up yourself and not hype up yourself per man. You don't know me, you know. Me I tell you, no, Shireen, stop ramp with me, you know. I'd appreciate you stop bringing up my sister name in your argument them. Leave my family out of your business, alright? I'm gonna chat about your mother. Look, I can't forget which part your family come from. I'm a diss you up in a girl. Stop chat to me.
Me I go find out who you there with, Just watch.